bathroom here, as you can see. I need some help. We've got leaky faucets, leaky tubs. Kids, let's go! Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna remove the mirror, the lighting, the sink, the vanity, the toilet. Get ready for this floor and demo that tub. You ready guys?
Yeah!
So guys, I want to show you how small the bathroom actually is. Look at the toilet. The vanity is so big, 24 inches. And if you can see, there's like no space in between. So I won't be surprised if there's a hot mess in behind there. Not gonna lie. Look at this mirror right here. Want to see? Surprise?
Whoa!
Surprise! we got this thing up here, and then the bathtub.
And yourself.
I did show the picture, but wait, Jamin, do me a favor. Everybody be quiet. You ready? Jump. If you guys can hear that, that is water.
Water caught between the membrane.
Again.
So the seal obviously broke, and there's water. And this has happened like 3 times already, right?
Twice.
Yeah, 2 times. Yeah, we gotta get this thing done.
I remember.
And then our hope is, I'm not completely sure whether we're gonna remove this radiator and put it back, but we're definitely breaking this open and putting some storage in there and getting it done.
Oh my God, yes. I think we have the ultimate find. This is the towel that we're working with here. I think that's what we're looking for. We get a lot of boxes left over. Me and my family's here. Yes.
So we've decided to just grab, not all, but most of the boxes that are here. Because while we're renovating one bathroom, we're going to be renovating both bathrooms. And these are the tiles that we'll be using for both bathrooms.
And check the price that we're getting it for.
Yes. Excuse me? Look at that. $1. Are you kidding me? Per square foot. That is a
blessing.
Got to be the sweetest deal we ever found. Here. Justin, you shut off your hot and cold supply. See those valves right over there?
Yeah, turn them right.
So
Which
now
way do I turn them?
So you're going to turn them like this. All right, just
Like
a bit
this?
clockwise. Yeah. There you go. Same thing with the other valve. All right.
Is that good?
Yep.
Mommy, I need to
You can take your pair of pliers. You see those nuts right here? Right here. You're gonna loosen those up. You're gonna turn this
Left.
way. Like that, okay?
So lefty loosey righty.
There you go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go. Take it all the way off. All right, so do the same thing for the other one. You're doing a good job there, buddy.
2 left-handers over
Keep on
here.
moving, keep on moving.
My
Yep,
2
you
lefties
got
over
it.
here.
2 lefties, baby. 2 lefties. All you need in your life is 2 lefties. Just 2 lefties.
Good job, baby. No, he's loosening it up.
All right, okay.
Don't question him. He got this.
Come on, Justin. Yeah. We can.
Woo! He did it.
I think we got a winner. I got a chicken dinner.
You got a chicken dinner.
All right, so now we get a razor blade. You see this caulk line at the top? I'm gonna cut that to get this out of here. And there we go. How we do it? How we do it? This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Oh my God. You guys see what I put up with? Come on, Greg. Come on, show your muscles, Greg. Do you guys see this? Dun, dun, dun.
What's wrong?
See this is we couldn't properly clean, and look at all the stuff that's there now.
Ooh.
I'm
he
just
gets
going back
stuck.
up real quick.
Hey, wait a minute.
Justin, I
here.
do the same thing.
You gonna let me get zapped all by myself?
Your phone's not mine. Now time to remove the toilet.
I usually get about a gallon of water just to make sure. Get this water levels down as possible. There we go. There we go. Am I doing a good job, hon?
You're doing a great job, honey.
All right, let's get it. All right, so now I got my hot and cold shut off. Now I'm gonna start taking this apart. So this is not coming off. So I am gonna get another Allen, which I do have. Got the Allen wrench right here.
Guys, we have run into our first big problem. Well, I don't know if it's big. Is that big? I'm over exaggerating. Drama.
They have so much silicone behind this, which they're supposed to do it to adhere to the wall, but it might be tougher for us to rip off. So I don't know how this is gonna come off, in sections or in pieces.
You can do it, Greg, with your man muscles.
Yeah, let's see.
Use your man muscles, Greg.
Let's get it out, girl. Not too bad.
Look at that. Aww. You see, guys, I exaggerated. Sorry. It was good for drama.
Well, let's see. Come on, hold on. I don't want drama, but you never know what's gonna happen here. Take this off the razor blade. Let's just try that, huh? Let's see what you're gonna do, huh? Look at that thick that glue is, a 1/4 inch thick.
You threw it at me. Those are fighting words without talking. He always forgets.
There we go. There we go. All right, guys, got all the walls pulled down. Now the guys are gonna get ready to start ripping down the sheetrock. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Go to it. Let's go.
Come on, Thor. Thor and Loki's.
Boston. Yeah, right there.
Not my window. Not the window.
Get it. Oh,
There you go.
Come on. Yeah. I'm not going to run a Sawzall or any kind of skill saw on this because it's got piping here, so I'd rather do it by a crowbar and by a claw hammer. I might find $1 million in here! Woo!
Greg,
Yeah.
where's the nice boots that mommy got you? The nice working boots.
Right on my feet. You like them?
You destroyed them. But they kind of are dirty now.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta work them in. So now that I got all my pipes exposed where it's gonna be, now I'm just gonna run a sawzall on the side because I see my pipes are over here. There's nothing over here I'm not have to worry about. Get my sawzall and go to work. Okay guys, I've been working so hard trying to get this tub off. There's so much adhesive on it. I'm gonna take a break from it. I'm gonna jump to the floors, get this done, and then we're gonna work on the tub a different day. All right guys, I've removed 2 pieces and we have got wet wood. That's really bad. I'm gonna continue on. I don't know what we're gonna find, but we're gonna keep on moving. Oh my God. Yeah, look at
Oh,
that.
that thing is coming out fast.
We'll replace this section right here, and we're going to cut back to this radius. We're going to cut here, go all the way down. We're going to cut all the way back here, and we're going to replace this part.
Guys, it's done.
Finished for tonight.
Yes.
That's
Well,
good,
we still
right?
have that bathtub to do.
Yes.
But that's a different day.
Yes.
Another time. We're just so happy that the floor is out. Everything else is out. And next week, when you guys come back, we will be getting this show on the road.
Yes, we're going to have the tub out and start putting up some walls.
Yeah.
Anyways, stay tuned for next week. You're going to see more.
Bye.